In today's video, let's talk about the way that you can make a group chat on Character AI. All you want to do is tap on the plus icon that will be visible on the bottom of the screen, and right here you'll see the option which says group chat. Through this section you can pick how many members that you want for this particular group. So just tap and select the members that you want, and then just tap on the create group chat option. As soon as you do that, the group chat will be instantly created. If you want to rename this group, you can just tap on the profile on the top, head over to this pencil icon, and then you can simply rename this. Once you rename it, you can tap on the save option. You can also add in more members or remove any members that are already in this group. So using this exact method, by tapping on this add or remove character option, you'll be able to add new members as well as remove characters. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.